Hello to everyone, you're watching KG Decor and Lifestyle. Today I will tell you about how do you decorate an office for fall. Grasses, dried flowers, pumpkins and dried leaves are all great for office decor ideas to decorate the fall season. Even if you don't observe Halloween or Thanksgiving, think about making paper or wall art using seasonal creatures like spiders and crows. There are so many ways to decorate your home in a tasteful and festive way for fall. Pumpkins, gourds, autumn foliage, and pine cones are a handful of popular themes that can serve as inspiration. You can mix all of these elements together across your mantle, or you can stagger them artfully down for your front steps. Each office has its own guiding theme for its decor, but the goal is often the same: lift morale to increase productivity. Eye catching decorations help clients feel at ease while visiting your office. They can also describe your company's core values, establish work and goals, and highlight team's accomplishments. And how do you decorate for a fall event? Awesome fall decorate ideas for your next party. Decorate with colorfully autumn foliage, mums and pumpkin, easy funnel dye fox pumpkins, painted and distressed mason jar vases, cinnamon sticks candle, hand leaf garland, create a pine cone garland, put a burlap worth on the front door, place a stained picnic basket. And what decoration to put an office? Add a small plant or flowers, add wall art, use a cute cup, organize your desk, use a planner, add a fun calendar, add colorful accessories and supplies, and 12 comments. Autumn is chock full of holiday festivities around the world, such as Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Dia de los Muertos. Autumn holidays are particularly enjoyable because of wonderful meals, tasty treats, elaborate costumes, and rich colors that go along with the celebrations. And what's new for fall decoration? Personalized color plates, while classic autumn hues like red, orange, and yellow never die. A more refined color palette is gaining popularity this fall. Sustainable textile furniture with distress or dark finishes. Return to formality statement glassware and geometric patterns. And what is the theme in decoration? In general, a theme room uses a lot of items and decor that are representative of the inspiration. If you walk into a themed room, the style is obvious and unquestioned.